OK, let's take a look at the weather with Judith. How's it looking?
Well, we're well and truly into autumn and there's more rain on the way. Thank you very much. A very good evening to you with a lovely picture there in Gullen Beach behind me. But today the Met Office have issued their stats for rainfall stats for October. No surprises for eastern Scotland, which took a pummelling through Storm Babette. You can see indicating the dark blue colours, we saw over 2 months of rain here, way above the average, but the browns indicating where we saw less than average rainfall for October. These are the October stats. Now, Storm Ciarán is battling its way towards the UK. It's going to bring some destructive winds for southern parts. For us, it's going to throw up a weather front, which will bring some persistent rain for eastern Scotland from tomorrow, lasting right through into Friday night, but settling down as we head towards the weekend. Now, as we head into tonight, the last of any showers of rain will clear away. We'll hang on to some showers for Shetland with gale force winds here. Elsewhere, dry with clearing skies, some mist and fog patches forming as well. Quite chilly in the Highlands with a touch of frost. The first signs of some rain into the south by dawn tomorrow. Now, this is a sign of things to come. There is a yellow Met Office warning for persistent heavy rain for eastern Scotland, valid from 6 a.m. until 6 a.m. on Friday. And that rain just driving into eastern Scotland on strong northeasterly winds. We're likely to see some localised flooding. The river catchments are already high and travel disruption likely as well. But a quiet start, some early sunshine further north, that rain gathering across the south and pivoting in across eastern Scotland, but seeing drier across western parts. Come the afternoon, that rain just about arriving in Shetland, but right across eastern Scotland. Yes, we'll see rain pushing into the Northern Isles. It'll be lighter and for Caithness, but that rain elsewhere further south across the eastern half of the country, really driven in on strong northeasterly winds, driving that rain into the hills of eastern Scotland. Quite a contrast in the west. Further west you are, it'll be drier, and in fact the west coast staying largely dry, even some brighter sunny spells up towards the Western Isles and Skye and the northwest coast, but pretty windy across the board. Into tomorrow evening, that rain continues across the east, drier in the west. Into Friday again, that rain continues across eastern parts of the country. Drier, brighter conditions feeding into the west and the winds still with us. Then as we head towards the weekend, I'm glad to see signs of things of settling down. The winds get lighter and it turns drier. That's your forecast.
Good stuff. Thanks, Judith. And that is Reporting Scotland. And McAlpine will have your late news around 10:30 tonight. Until then, from everyone on the team, enjoy your evening. Good night.